A long, long time ago, the great pirate queen of Mayo, Cruinniú, or Grace O Malley in English.
She wrecked her ship off Health Harbour.
Hannig si slán an lungversú agus rinne si a balla go caslan vin éidir, mar go raibh sicí na dlíthe fáilte has.
Which means that any stranger in need could have their dinner and a bed for the night.
Cuando ella se acercó al castillo de Holt, las puertas estaban cerradas. But being a pirate queen, she scrambled over the top.
Elle a monté jusqu'à la grande maison et elle a cogné à la porte.
И слуга ответил. Он сказал: «Да».
She said, I am a stranger here. I call upon the laws of hospitality. Give me a bed for the night and some dinner.
Oh, Ursa an Servíseach. Oh well, seans go maith muid lán, leigh seco, agus ris sé as.
Oczywiście, tam mieli miejsca, bo tam nie było żadnej gości.
But he had no intention of letting a woman like that into the house.
When he came back, he saw she was gone.
And he noticed, stuck in the door, was a dagger. A pirate dagger. A pirate dagger. And under the dagger there was a note. It said, I have taken your most prized possession. I'll turn it in a year and a day if you and all in this castle hold up the laws of hospitality.
そして私の仲間がホート全体を探した。
But they found nothing missing.
It wasn't until the next morning, until the oldest son of that family did not come down to breakfast, that they realised what she had taken.
She told him everything there was to know about piracy, and then she brought him back. Y vio que las puertas del castillo de Holt estaban abiertas. She had found that they had set an extra place at the dinner table for any stranger that was passing. So they kept the laws of hospitality from then until now, all because of the pirate queen, Grace O Malley.
Sinead Scale.
That is my story.
And now it's yours too.